Here's an accompaniment that's sensational on steak, brilliant on burgers. It perks up pork, livens up lamb and chirps up chicken. What is it? Stick around and see. Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, everyone. Cowboy butter. I'd never heard of it until I read an article in a magazine and thought, now that looks good. Just right for a pre-season video. I love compound butters. My burnt onion butter with my sweet Hasselback potatoes is delish. But this cowboy butter tops a lot. It's simple to make and boy is it tasty. Over to the kitchen. You know, the thought of this butter melting over a juicy steak gets me dreaming of a warm summer's evening. The smell of the food cooking on the barbecue fills the garden. We're dining al fresco. We invited him last year but he never turned up. To knock this one up, I'm using my Magimix food processor. You could just as easily use a bowl and mash it together with a fork. The fresh ingredients are flat leaf parsley, lemon, garlic and chives. And there it is, prepared in a snap, just like that. The other ingredients are unsalted butter, softened, Dijon mustard, creamed horseradish, crushed chilies, smoked paprika, and one of my favourite ingredients, liquid smoke. Take the lid off the Magimix, and in goes the unsalted butter, the grated garlic, plus the chives, followed by the parsley. Smoked paprika and crushed chilies together. Dijon mustard, creamed horseradish, the liquid smoke. And finally, the zest of half of an unwaxed lemon and a good squeeze of juice. Pop the lid on and pulse. Continue pulsing until it's all nicely combined. To make it into a roll, take a long sheet of greaseproof paper and lay it on the worktop. Spoon the butter from the Magimix bowl onto the greaseproof in a line. Bring the paper over the butter and with a ruler or straight edge and a scraping motion gently roll the butter. Twist the ends to seal. Now that needs to go into the fridge to firm up and chill for at least 1 hour. If you'd like to know more about this tasty butter or any of my videos, then all you have to do is click that button, activate and ding the bell, and leave your comments in the community box, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, here's a quick reminder. It's the recipe recap.
After an hour in the fridge, I'm taking it out of the greaseproof paper and going to wrap it in cling film to freeze. I'll just tidy up each end, and I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. And that's ready for the freezer. It will keep in the fridge for up to a week, or freeze it for up to 2 months.
The smell coming from this butter is amazing. I can't wait to see what it tastes like. So I'm tasting it on toast.
That is one tasty bit of butter. It's got my tongue dancing. It's spicy, smoky, with just a hint of lemon. And I can't wait to try it on a steak from my Weber Q.
Well, I said it was easy, and believe me, it's tasty. If you've enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up. Now, I've got a slice of cowboy buttered toast to finish off. So join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and I might be cooking on my Weber Q. Until then, it's goodbye from me, the old geezer who ain't at the grill. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.